Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install our front splitter on a S15 with a standard front bar. Let's go. Before we get started, I'll just quickly explain about the kit because there are a few options. So in this finish, there's two. You can get a textured finish, which is really good because it's all scratch resistant and low maintenance. The gloss kit is nice and shiny, nice and pretty. Accessories are all optional, so you can add on extensions if you want the kit to be wider and they're adjustable. And you can also pop on winglets if you want to. In terms of hardware, it's all stainless steel and all in black, so they're not going to rust on you. So with that out the way, I'll show you how to put the kit on the car. Install is really easy. So all the holes we put in the splitter are the same holes that are on the car, which are these ones over here, where the speed clip locations are. So all you got to do is line it up and put the bolt in. If your speed clips are missing, we have given you enough nuts and washers and bolts to replace them. So with that out of the way, just let's get bolt straight on. I've got all the bolts on now. I did come across a few rusty speed clips, so I just replaced them with the nuts and bolts that's part of the kit. It's still loose, so all you got to do now is make sure that the splitter is flush against the bar on both sides and then tighten it up. I've got a 4mm Allen bit and a 10mm spanner for that. Now that the splitter is bolted down, we can move on to accessories. So extensions, they just bolt straight on. It has its own holes. You can slide in and out, and you also have got winglets. They use the same holes. You can slide it out, you can adjust them how you like. Just remember, if you're using the winglets and extensions together, just make sure you use the longer bolt that's part of the kit. Putting on the accessories are easy. So you just got to locate the thread that's underneath the splitter. There's like that brass thread there. Grab your bolt, spin them on. Just make sure to over tighten because they can pull out if you go real hard. Now that I have all the accessories on, you can just slide it to your desired position. You can adjust all the pieces individually. Once you've done that, grab your 4mm and tighten the bolts, again, not too tight. And that's a splitter kit fitted on the S15 with the standard bumper. Now we do have a splitter kit to suit the aero bumper as well. So if you have that, you click the link below. Installation, real easy, all OEM holes. So I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.